Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video I want to share an amazing project with you guys called as Tokenoid.io. So before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd be awesome to see your great support, and let's continue with the video. Tokenoid.io is a play to earn project. As you all know, there is lots of hype going on for P2E project, that is play to earn project, and the industry for the play to earn projects are booming. So here it is. Tokenoid.io is a play to earn project where you can play and earn real money. They have their own token called as Noid token, which is used as an in-game currency for their games. You can easily buy Noid token using PancakeSwap. I'll be sharing the link for PancakeSwap in the description, so you can click on that and you can easily swap your BNB BUSD to Noid token. This will be having lots and lots of utility in this ecosystem itself, because they will be developing more and more game, and just in 4 days after the launch, that is public launch, they are already listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap and Hotbit, which is something really good. So this is the official smart contract address for the Noid token. Make sure to double check the contract address before buying any token, because there are lots of scammers out there, and their pre-sale was sold out in just 20 seconds in pink sale platform, which is also something really cool, because they rose around 800 BNB, which was already sold out in 20 seconds. As I told, you can purchase Noid token with PancakeSwap, because they will be developing more and more games using the blockchain technology for the transaction. That means more game is equal to more utility for the Noid token. And also they have already released the prototype video about their Endland game, which is also something really cool. So you can click on this video and you can check out how this game is going to be after the launch. You can also download the prototype right from here. And now let's move on to the tokenomics. So they have also shared the perfect tokenomics with us, and this will be showing us how the tokens are distributed according to the plan. So they have allocated 40% for the IDO, that is public sale and pre-sale, and they have allocated 30% for DEX listing, 9% for centralized exchange listing. Development fund has been allocated 10%, marketing also has been allocated 5%, and private sale is also allocated 5%. And also they will be doing airdrop. For that they have allocated 1% of the total supply, and the token symbol is Noid token, and the token name is Tokenoid, and the decimal is 9, and they are having a total supply of 25 million tokens. So in this way the token supplies are allocated. And also they will be charging some percentage of fees per transaction, that is they will be charging development tax as 2.5%, marketing tax has been 2.5%, and reflection 2%. So in this way each transaction will be taxed. And also I suggest you guys go check out their white paper. Here you will find lots and lots of information about how you can buy Noid token, and introduction and description about the games that they will be launching, and and information about the tokenomics. And also here you will also find the information about their IDO slash pre-sale. So it will be a really great source for you to do some research on. And now let's see the journey. So here it is. Currently we are on the roadmap, and currently I think we are on the phase 4 of listing of L Bank, connecting Nland with blockchain, launch Nland on Play Store and App Store, NFT marketplace development. And also the good thing is that they will be also developing their own NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell different NFTs. So that will be also really great use case for the Noid token, and it will be expanding the ecosystem of the Tokenoid studio, which will be really cool. And on the phase 5 they will be having Certic audit, update, Nland game, launch NFT marketplace for Tokenoid ecosystem, collaboration with influencer, game event of Nland. So this is also something really cool. So they have lots and lots of plan for the upcoming future, which makes me more and more excited about this project. So if you are into play to earn, if you are interested in earning money while playing game, I think this is the best project for you guys, because it is still in the early phase. So you can grab some tokens, because as you all know that X Infinity price just rocketed after the initial boom of the play to earn project. So this can be a game changer for you guys. If you want to hodl some Noid token, then I suggest you guys go give it a shot. And here is some games that they are developing. The first is Nland Farm and Earn. Here it is a farming type of game where you can farm and you can earn money out of it. And the second is N Castle. This is a castle type of game. If you are into an RPG gaming, then this will be best for you. And also they are developing N Royale, that will be a battle royale game just like Fortnite, which is also something really cool. So these two games are incoming, and they have already released the prototype for the Endland, which is something really cool. So I think this will be the best project for you guys. And also there is no better way to earn while playing games, because here they are focusing on developing games which will be 100% and purely based on blockchain technology. This is also something really cool for me. And here comes the partnership. So they are already partnered with lots and lots of big projects such as Certic, TechRate, Hotbit, Lbank, which is really cool. And you can also become their partner if you own any company, then you can become their partner. And if you have any query, reach out to them on Telegram, Discord. Just you guys go check out their GitHub and YouTube to learn more about the games and their smart contract. And if you want any more information, you can reach out to them via mail. So that is all for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.